Welcome you all. I am Professor Yogesh Kokate in the subject System in Mechanical Engineering. In this video, we are going to see the IC engine, that is internal combustion engine. So what is meant by engine? So engine is nothing but a machine used to convert heat energy into mechanical energy. So any kind of things which can convert one energy form into the another energy form or into the mechanical energy, that we call as a machine or engine. Now there are, in our day to day life, we see the engine, or we regularly use the word petrol engine, diesel engine. Now in this video lecture series, we are taking the knowledge of petrol engine, diesel engine and CNG engine. So let's see one by one. In that, first one is an petrol engine. Petrol engine, also known as an internal combustion engine or spark ignition engine, because spark plug is used. It was invented in 1876 in Germany by German inventor Nicholas August Oht. That's why this cycle is also auto. That's why this cycle is also known as, or petrol engine also known as, an auto cycle. So it is fuel use obviously is nothing but the petrol, or also known as an gasoline. The petrol engine works on a principle theoretically cycle, that is Otto cycle. So let's see this Otto cycle. In this Otto cycle, two processes are constant volume processes and two are an isentropic processes. These two constant volume processes are at a constant pressure, constant volume heat addition and constant volume heat rejection processes. There are two types of engine in petrol: two-stroke petrol engine and four-stroke petrol engines. So what is the difference in two-stroke and four-stroke? When the cycle is an internal combustion engine that completes the process cycle in one revolution of crankshaft, that engine is called as a two-stroke petrol engine or two-stroke engine. When the cycle is required to complete revolution of crankshaft, at that time that type of engine is called as an four-stroke engine. Now let's see one by one what are the terminologies are present inside the engine. So this is a typical engine which having one intake valve, one exhaust valve, then spark plug, combustion chamber, piston, crankshaft and connecting rod. So cylinder bore, this is the nominal inner diameter of the working cylinder. So whatever may be the diameter of cylinder is called cylinder bore. The piston area, the area of piston which faces the combustion is called as an piston area, or it is in simple the circle of diameter equal to the cylinder bore. Stroke length, the nominal distance through which working piston moves between two successive reversal of its direction of motion. That means first we understand dead center, then we get the stroke also. What is the maximum that piston can stretch is that side is called as a top dead center, and the bottom is called as a bottom dead center. The distance between bottom dead center and top dead center is called as a stroke. Next is nothing but the displacement of a volume or swept volume. This is the volume covered by the piston or nominal value generated by the working piston when traveling from one dead center to next, that is from TDC to BDC or BDC to TDC. Next one, clearance volume, because already you see that there is an exhaust valve and inlet valve or intake valve is there. If the piston is stretched to the top, then this wall is get break. So for the accommodation purpose there should be some volume is provided. That volume is called as an clearance volume. So your piston is get stretched, and above that there is an some space is given for accommodation is called as an clearance volume. So total volume of cylinder is nothing but the swept volume plus clearance volume. So next one is an compression ratio is nothing but the ratio of swept volume upon clearance volume, or also the total volume minus clearance volume upon clearance volume.